Hi, I'm Manny from secondopinion.ph and I'm here with nothing less than the world's best-selling Lexus SUV, the RX. And what we have here is not just an ordinary RX. What we have here is the flagship model, the RX 500h F Sport Direct 4 all-wheel drive. So it's a hybrid and a performance SUV at the same time. Up front, we have the signature Lexus spindle grille. What I like the most is the blackout treatment of this F Sport, which sets off nicely with the pearl white paint of the car. Another styling feature are the swoosh-like daytime running lights and the individual headlamp elements. The side view of the RX is very understated, except for the part where the C-pillar meets a D-pillar, where the window line flows down. It's very graceful, very unique. It really sets the RX apart. This is an F Sport, which means it gets black alloy wheels and it looks gorgeous in contrast with the pearl white finish of this car. Lexus made sure the rear part doesn't look boring at all by putting a very slanted angle for the rear window and the full width taillights and this portion here that actually juts out, creating more surface visual excitement. And then you get these very aggressive looking vents here at the back, the slits here on the side of the bumper. Also from the rear, you can see the flare of the rear fenders, which gives it that curvaceousness, that sexiness, and also a bit of aggressiveness. Very well executed by Lexus. A lot of Lexus RX will see their owners bringing them to the golf course, and the RX can fit 3 to 4 golf bags, of course with the seats folded down, and maybe 1 or 2 golf bags with the rear seats up. Being a mid-size SUV, the Lexus RX lends itself well to being chauffeur-driven. And the backseat is really something else. You have sunshades here for more privacy. Of course, your own Mark Levinson speaker here at the back. And the RX has more than 10 speakers inside the cabin. All the highs, all the lows, all the mid-range, they come out with superb clarity. It's truly an audiophile audio system. A nice gauge of luxury is if your elbows are equal when you put it on both armrests. They make sure that all the touch points feel exactly the same way. Here, it's perfectly equal. Again, Japanese attention to detail, or what Lexus likes to call omotenashi. You have cup holders that open very nicely, and you have your own aircon vents here at the back behind the middle console, and again 2 Type-C USB ports. There's lots of legroom also, even enough for you to cross your legs so you don't get cramped. The back seat of this car can be reclined. You can easily do a power nap here while you're stuck in traffic. Like any Lexus, it's supremely quiet inside. Visually, the interior of the RX is very soothing. I'm looking at a black ceiling, a black seat back, so it doesn't overwhelm me with a lot of red. But when you look at it from here, then that's where excitement begins. Mixing it with red makes for a very dramatic cabin. You see that in sports cars. But when you're seated at the back and you want to relax, you see a lot of blacks, not red. Very subtle, very ingenious, and very Lexus. I'm in the driver's seat of a Lexus RX 500h, and again, the F Sport interior is so gorgeous. It's like I'm sitting inside a sports car because of these beautiful red bucket seats which hug me in all the right places. The interior of the RX is a very tactile sensory experience. Your elbows are resting on soft padded leather, but they also put in a mix of Alcantara finish on the door panels and here on the sides. And for the seats, you get a mix of perforated leather, Alcantara on the sides, and smooth leather for the headrest. Of course, with the beautiful F Sport logo embossed on it. The positioning of the engine start-stop button right here. You don't have to go like the usual peeking around the steering wheel. It's right in my line of vision, so I have to just press it to start and stop the engine. You have up here a very nice to grip steering wheel with leather and perforated leather, and The paddle shifters fall right into place for sporty driving. The infotainment system is large, but what's important is it's very user-friendly. You barely have to take your eyes off the screen. So all those analog buttons are still here like in your everyday car. You have two buttons here that control what you want to see around the car. So this button here gives you a 360-degree angle, and this button here shows you what you need to see if you're backing up or if you're moving forward. Very helpful. There are two Type-C USB ports here, a third Type-C USB port here under the lid, and a standard USB port here also. You have here a high-tech rear view mirror. It's not a mirror, it's actually an LCD screen which shows the camera view of the rear of the car. It's very effective. You see all the details when you're backing up at night. Driving the Lexus RX, the first thing you notice is how quiet it is inside. It's yet another hallmark of Lexus, the absence of vibration. But then when the engine kicks in, it does so very seamlessly. The RX 500h is powered by a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder turbo hybrid engine mated to a 6-speed automatic with paddle shifters here. The engine of the Lexus RX may be very quiet in normal driving, but when you step on the gas more deeply, it emits a very pleasant and sporty growl. It develops 271 horsepower and 460 Newton meters of torque, and it's enough to propel the RX 500h from 0 to 100 in 6.2 seconds. That was the power of 270 horses and 460 Newton meters of torque. It can really fly. The RX 500h has a conventional 6-speed torque converter automatic. The only downside maybe is it has higher fuel consumption compared to a DCT or CVT. But then, this is a hybrid, so it more than makes up for that and adds to that the smoothness and responsiveness of a torque converter automatic. I take this over a DCT or a CVT anytime. There's no hesitation, there's no roughness in shifting as well. The most important part of a Lexus is the riding comfort, and the RX 500h has that in spades. I was able to drive this car on broken pavement also, and it just soaked up all the bumps, all the potholes. It was just supremely comfortable. Being an F-Sport, it also has more sporty tuning for the suspension, which gives you crisper handling, flatter cornering. So you pretty much get the best of both worlds. It feels like a genuine luxury car. The RX 500h basically has everything you'd expect from a mid-size luxury SUV. It has comfort, it has handling, it has quietness, the space, all performance, fuel economy. The RX 500h ticks all the boxes. We hope you liked our quick look at this beautiful Lexus RX 500h F Sport. This has been Manny from secondopinion.ph. Thank you for watching.